Manufacturing and distribution centers operate at a dizzying pace, and rightfully so. At the heart of keeping facilities like this up and running is the ability to get orders out the door, faster, with no room for errors. It's a tall order, indeed, but is a necessity as market pressure and competition in this space grows, and is one of the biggest hurdles supply chain leaders face.
Accuracy is critical to the manufacturing process for make-to-order, and it's really critical because any mistakes will impact the production cell. Product gets picked. If it's not accurate, you end up with a shortage on the cell. That shortage can result in either a stoppage of work or at least some delay in the work. Traditional warehouse systems really don't give you the hands-free, eyes-free capabilities that you get with a voice system. And as a result, your accuracy is impacted, your efficiency is impacted, and you lose some visibility.
It's kind of obvious where your eyes go, your attention also flows. And I think it's that way in a work environment. Having an eyes-free, hands-free solution increases productivity and accuracy and all that, but in addition, it certainly makes it a safer environment. If you're holding product and other devices in your hands, it becomes to be a challenge, strains on your hand and those things. So that's a big reason why we see improvement in safety when there's voice solutions involved.
Is there a way for distribution centers to operate more efficiently with greater workflow optimization while also keeping workers safe? Alex Renneman, CEO of Mountain Leverage, explains how the use of voice-directed solutions checks all of those boxes.
From a work optimization perspective, how our systems really help is that you can almost imagine there's somebody walking with you in the work environment that's there helping you give directions for where to go. So for instance, go to aisle 15, bay 7, slot 3.
Aisle 15, bay 7, slot 3.
And it directs you right where you go. It's almost like a GPS in your car. We all hear about AI and robotics and all the things, and it's exciting, but at the same time, sometimes those are difficult systems to implement and costly. This solution, this voice solution, helps us. It's a path to automation. It allows you to get the savings to be able to put the funding together and the organization together to support future optimization. This is a hard job. Running around a warehouse or a manufacturing plant is difficult on the workers. And one of the things I love about our solution is it actually improves worker satisfaction. It's also about retention and having an environment and a technology that's native. So you look at voice, we've all been in a voice interface since we were young. Having that translate into the workplace is just super effective. And so when you're looking at retention and this tight labor market, it's an advantage.
Voice-over recognition technology has been improving operational efficiency for decades. But Mountain Leverage's unique people-first approach raises the playing field, bringing about peak performance for the workers who hold these tough jobs. Mountain Leverage elevates voice technology to provide distributors, fulfillment centers, and manufacturers with a nimble, streamlined, and highly effective solution for common warehouse workflows.
I really like using the headsets because it makes the process easier rather than looking at the labels and having to handpick everything, and it just gives you a system that you have to follow through with.
Pick 4 quantity of white hardwood panel.
It makes it safer, faster, and helps with hands-free movement.
As a production floor manager, I'm responsible for both the picking side and the inventory or material side of the business. And the voice technology allows my teams to work safely and efficiently, as well as give me a real-time snapshot of inventory so I can manage our day-to-day business. The voice system also allows us to train a new hire very quickly. We set up a voice template that records their voice and certain commands, and that allows their times to get up to speed where we need them to be. And then we can also follow along real time with a tablet and monitor the performance and the speed and location of each worker.
I'm from West Virginia, having grown up in a small town of Grafton, moved away, and I came back and I started my company in the area for all the reasons you might think, to try to bring economy there. It was a comfortable place for me. It was a great place to raise kids. I was almost kind of apologetic for when people would ask, do you have a technology company in West Virginia? And as I would travel around, I'd say, but it's a great place to raise kids and it's a low stress environment to live and it's fun and it's outdoors. While all that is true, what I found over time is that actually there were actually a real strength to our area. The kinds of ideals that I grew up with, the work ethic, the dedication to each other, the sacrifice, and I found over time we built the company around those ideals, those attributes that really gave us a competitive edge.
The Mountain Leverage team provides workflow analysis, 24/7 support, and excellence in implementation that is trusted by some of the world's most powerful organizations, who ultimately make sure the right products, whether it's groceries, medical equipment, or high-quality wooden furniture, get to the person who needs them. Work faster, smarter, and safer with Mountain Leverage Voice Solutions. To learn more, visit mountainleverage.com today.